Wake up with a bottle sitting next to my bed, trying to outrun every thought in my head. Sunlight through the blinds, but I'm living in night. Every day's another losing fight. They ask if I'm okay, I just force a grin. Never let them know about the war within. If I said I was drowning, would they even care? Or would they disappear like everyone else there?
The silence gets loud when I'm all alone, so I let the smoke make my mind feel numb. The bottle keeps whispering, you don't need a friend, so I take another shot and do it all again. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead, wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead, wind up dead.
Trying to sew together every part that's torn, but every single morning leaves me more worn.
Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead.
I'm hanging by a thread instead. Every drink's another lie that I believe. Every hit convinces me I'll finally breathe. But when the high fades out and the room gets still, I'm left with every memory
I couldn't kill.
Friends don't know the weight that I carry around, 'cause I learned long ago not to make a sound. I keep saying I'm fine, like it's all okay, while another piece of me just slips away.
I'm terrified that if I let somebody in, they'll see the broken parts beneath my skin. So I keep my demons where nobody sees, and fall apart in private on my knees. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead, wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead, wind up dead.
Every scar's a story that I'll never tell. I've been building my own little living hell.
Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead.
Can't save myself again.
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe. I'm shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches.